My name is Eric Halverson. I'm the owner of Halverson Law. We are a leading cannabis business law firm here in the state of Washington. And what I'm doing today is I'm providing some basic guidance on a few high-level subjects. Today's topic is financiers. Financiers is proven to be a difficult thing in the industry because it runs upstream from how other businesses and industries function. If you are, say for example, starting a coffee shop or buying into a consultancy or buying into a real estate deal, you don't have to have your funds approved by any sort of regulatory entity. With a licensed marijuana business, however, every dollar that you place into the business has to be approved. And that there's an important distinction between every dollar and the financier. So a lot of clients will make the mistake of they'll have a financier approved and they'll accept some funds from that financier, and then 6 months later they'll need some additional funds and they'll accept additional funds thinking that since that same financier was previously approved that the additional funds are okay. That's not the case. Every dollar that gets infused into a marijuana business has to be approved by the LCB prior to that dollar going into the business. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk you through the basic process to help you get started with it, and then also talk a little bit about the consequences if this step is missed. So as far as the basic process, very, very simple. You can start with a Google search for financier application, WSLCB, and the second link will take you to the LCB's website, marijuana license applications. The first option there, application for adding a financier. You click on that and you will get this form, plug in the requested information, and you submit it with a $75 fee to P.O. Box 43085, Olympia, Washington 98504. You'll be contacted by the LCB about 2 to 3 weeks later, and they'll start the vetting process, which includes learning about where the money is coming from, who's providing the money, how much money, and then they'll send you a DocuSign. You upload the necessary and requested documents, and then they'll vet it. They'll make sure that it looks good, make sure that it's not coming from any sort of criminal sources, and hopefully they'll approve those funds. Only after you've received the approval can you actually place those funds into the business. This is a very, very important aspect of running a marijuana business, and to illustrate how important it is to follow the correct steps for this, you need to realize that violating this can actually result in the cancellation of the license at the first offense. Now, there are some nuances to that, and if you've already infused unvetted funds into the business, you should definitely give us a call and we can work together on that. But if you have the ability to, you want to make sure that you follow these steps and make sure that you get the money approved prior to infusing it into the business. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're on standby. We know how to do this. We enjoy our work, and we're looking forward to helping you out.